Yo, what's up guys? So in this video we're going to talk about identify the problem, which is step 2 of the 12-step copywriting series. Okay, so here we go. Alright, so basically like this section right here, we're just going to say like, you know, what the problem was, right? So I'll just start like, just actually leave this. Hey. My name is Stuart, otherwise known as Yala Poppy, and I wanted to share something with you guys. Nah, it's too boring. And I wanted to feel compelled to tell you guys how I cracked the code on signing up ClickFunnels affiliates. You see, I was once just like you. Wait, actually, what's the next step after this? Identify, yeah, okay. So, I was once just like you, struggling, frustrated, ClickFunnels affiliate. It seemed like everywhere I looked, people were posting screenshots, signing up affiliates, and posting screenshots of their earnings on Facebook. I felt like they were just doing it to piss me off. And then one day, I got so frustrated that I made a post on the official ClickFunnels Facebook group. I don't remember exactly what I said. It was something to the effect of, understand you enjoy bragging about your success, but many of us are extremely frustrated when all you do is post pictures of your earnings with useless comments like, just add value. Probably shouldn't have posted that, but I just couldn't help myself. Okay? What do you think happened? I got banned. All the official ClickFunnels groups. It was not a good day. Now, actually, what I should do to really flesh out the problem, because this is actually all true. I did actually get banned from that group. It was not fun. And what I really should do, I should actually reiterate. I should go over all the things that I talked about, that I actually tried to sign up affiliates. I feel like I tried everything when it comes sign up affiliates. I tried Facebook ads. No luck. I tried solo ads. Still no luck. I tried using a contact form submitter. Nope. I even offered companies a free 2-week trial for managing their Facebook ads, which would require a ClickFunnels account. Nothing. I used a contact form submitter to spam the internet and promote any CF product that I thought would convert. I tried messaging random business owners on Facebook to see if I could weasel my way into convincing that funnels was the answer to their problems. Nothing worked, and I was so frustrated. I was always just minutes away from throwing my laptop out the window. To make matters worse, okay, well actually also, I tried posting literally hundreds of YouTube videos, tutorials about ClickFunnels, any other topic that I thought would interest people, peppering my descriptions with affiliate links. Nada. Okay, now I actually did do all these things. Nothing actually worked, so I was very frustrated. Okay, what do you think happened? I got banned. All right, so that's the problem. Okay, actually, I was ready to give up. Felt defeated. I was ready to give up. Okay, so that's basically how you state the problem. Now, obviously, like I should go back and like format this later on, maybe add some like, you know, like bold this or something or whatever, like italicize, bold, capitalize, like add some different colors in there. But that will all be done later. Okay, so that is how you identify the problem.